Hello class and welcome to Unit 5. In this unit, the first thing you will want to do is complete the Discovering Computers e-reader on Module 4. So you can click through here and go over to the e-reader booklet and do that reading. Once you've completed that reading and you're comfortable with the materials, I haven't noted this in the past, but you can actually look at this Discovering Computers module PowerPoint, which gives you a synopsis of what's in the module. Not nearly as detailed as the actual reading, but you might find it helpful as an overview of the unit. Once you've completed that, you'll want to do the Discovering Computers 4 quiz on the information that you've learned in the reading. Upon completing both of those, this week you'll be doing another journal, or in this unit we'll be doing another journal. Again, this is a journal that only I will be seeing, so there is no need to respond to other students' posts this week because you won't be able to see them. You'll want to have your answer in the range of about 150 to 200 words, so it does need to be a thoughtful post. And please make sure that you answer the questions that are included in this assignment properly. Upon completion of that, you'll want to do the next Excel module project. This is, again, like the one in Excel Module 1, where you will get an instruction file. You will get a start file that is a partially completed spreadsheet that needs some adjustment, and you will follow through the steps to make your final spreadsheet look like the one that's included in the instruction file, and submit that for scoring. That's all for this unit.